How to fix Word is slow to open and run and lagging when typing. 1. Basic tips. Quit then restart the Word app. Reboot your PC. Open your Word file in read-only mode. Update your Windows. Two. Run Word in its safe mode. Command, winword/safe. Int, you may need. To check installed Word add-ins. 3. Backup then remove the default template file, normal.at. C /users /username /appdata /roaming /Microsoft /templates. 4. Turn off hardware graphics acceleration in Word's advanced settings. 5. Clean up temporary files from your computer. 6. Optimize your documents. Hints. 1. Remove macros. To do so, press Alt plus F8 keys. Or, follow this path. Click Tools remove all macros. 2. Launch the compress pictures option. 7. Update Microsoft Word. 8. Repair Microsoft Word. 9. Create a new user profile in your Windows. 10. Uninstall reinstall Microsoft Office.